Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Abu and today is 7th practice and we will continue with learning and practicing CSS. Okay, I have opened already CSS 7's folder and I have already opened 2 files and linked already, and I opened in the browser. So today what we are going to create, we are going to create a simple web page which is called standardbots.com. This one we are going to create in this video only the first content of this. If we can, or if we have more time, we'll try to create until this place. Okay, so or fully. If you're ready, let's get started. So first of all, let's do the prediction what we are going to write in our HTML and CSS. So we have a logo, and logo has the reason it's all in name and also its icon. So the next thing is product, AI, use case, company, these are, and request code. These are UL and leads, and this is a button. And the next is H1. The logo, I mean the name of the robot, I think, and it's some P we can write, and the image, background image, and where it's designed. Okay, first of all, let's come here and I'm going to open wrapper, and inside of our wrapper I'm going to write top content. And inside of our top content, I am going to write nav. And inside of our nav, I have to write this one, H1 and standard bots. So in the capital letters, standard bots. And the next thing is I have to write ul dot conts. And inside we have items of the lists, and we have anchor tags, and the first one is product, the next one is AI, the next is use cases, and the next one is company. And the button. Okay, so out of UL we need to write button, and button is a request a quote, and I don't forget to give a class name for this btn request. Okay, now we have already built the main CSS and the nav one, main HTML, and we need to write this one. Okay, inside of our top content, I will write out of nav H1, this one, okay, and this one inside of our P tag, and that's it. I think we have also this one. Also P where I will write the class. Oh. No, wait. Okay, now fine. Okay, so we did it. Next thing, just styling. Okay, I have already styled with asterisks, and I'm going to start with wrapper, and I'm going to give width 100% and min height 200 VH, and I will just give a border to pixel solid letter blue. Okay, we set our wrapper, and the next thing is let's come over here and write down top content, and I'm going to give width 100%, and max, okay, not need to max, height is, I think, 110 VH, and there is the background image. I will write here, and I need to bring that image which is in here to my Visual Studio Code. Okay. I took this image with doing inspection. I mean, when you inspect here, when you go to source, you can see it. So how to find? First, you need to go assets folder, this one, and you will open this one, and you will just come over here, and you will check it from there. Yeah, this one. Okay, and you will just press on it 2 times, or maybe, yeah, you can do this and save image, and it works for you. Okay, so let's continue. So I will write this one, and no repeat. There should not be repetition, center, and whole place of the cover. Okay, let's check. Yes, it's done as we expected. I think ours is a bit small. I think we need to raise this. Maybe we can write min height. Okay, now it's fine. Yes. And the next thing is I'm going to do, yeah, it's fine. Then now, I'll come back here, and let's write down now, and I will give with 100%, and height can be 40, not 50 pixel minimum, and I'll just give a border in order to see. Okay, we have this one, and I will give display flex, justify content center, align item center. And the next thing is const, and for this just write down display flex, no, flex, and justify content space evenly, align items in the center maybe. Okay, and do not forget to remove the list style to none, and items display flex, justify content space evenly, and flex direction column, and just give with 100%. Okay, just okay, now fine, right? Okay, it's good. So I think, yeah, it's in the left, not space evenly. Okay, now it's fine as we expected, and maybe we can do this instead of 100. No, 70 maybe. Yeah, 70 is fine. Okay, it's fine now. Maybe 60. Okay, next thing is I'm going to do, I will just overcome here, and I will write 100%. Oh, maybe not 100, 60, maybe the same. Okay, we'll see now. Okay, 10%. Okay, just remove this, and instead we can use instead of display flex we can use margins. So I'll just margin left 30 pixels, and for the button I will design first. Padding, I think is 9 pixels from top and 12 pixels. Okay, and the border radius is 14 pixels. No, more. Maybe 20. It's fine. And the ground color is, I think, dark orange maybe. And border is also the same, not 2 pixels. Dark orange. This, I think, another color. And this one. Just come over here. Okay, the same. And the next thing is just to give a color of FFF and just margin left 30 pixels. Okay, and just come over here. Items of A, text decoration is none, and the color is FFF, and font weight is bold. Okay. Also the font family, maybe sans serif, but it can be another one. Okay, sans serif is fine. And the logo, I think. So instead of our now H1, I have to write like this. Okay, we'll write now H1, no, not G1, H1 color is FFF, font family sans serif. And I think it's a bit smaller. Maybe we can write font size 24 pixels or 20. Okay, now it's fine as we expected, and just we can remove this border, unnecessary border. And also for now I need to give padding, not left, 20 pixels from each side. Not each side, I think it will be bad. From top maybe is enough. Okay, now it's fine, right? Okay, the next thing is just need to design this one, row 1 and automate real world. So just overcome here, and to the top content I'm going to give text align center for everything, right? So we did it. And the next thing is I'm going to write for where. Okay, let's come over here to okay, not, I have to give the class name for this because we have another H1 in here. So I will write name. Okay, and let's design. So come here and write down name, and the color, not column, color is FFF, and I can write font family also sans serif, and we can write position relative top 250 pixels maybe. Oh, not 200. And no, we don't need this one. Font size we need 45 pixels. Okay. So the next thing is for our p tag. So top content of the P color is FFF, and we have to write for this one with 80%. Okay, should. I need to give a class for this too. About maybe, and just remove this. About with this maybe. Right, 50%. Oh, I think we are using text align so that it's not being like this. I think it can be sometimes. Even 30% is done. Okay, come back over here and okay. Now it's fine, and also I think we need to give separately for this. Okay, let's remove. Okay, we'll fix later, and let's use for the name instead of position relative margin top. Okay, that's fine. And the last thing is where. It's also color is FFF, and position relative top 150 pixels. But do not forget to give for top content position relative to, or we can give to 150. Okay, I think more, maybe 270. Okay, now fine, as we expected. And this thing I think is a bit 100 maybe. Okay, now fine. And also for about, I will give margin top, not max depths, 15 pixels. And we can remove this one, and that's it. We did it as we expected.